Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to talk about Metable, which is hoping to revolutionize the education world by bringing it into the metaverse with a Web3 environment. It's hoping to improve the education system available to people with a learn to earn system, as well as many other amazing features. Obviously, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, guys, let's jump into today's video. Okay guys, so jumping across to the Metable website, which as always is linked down below in the description, so make sure you go and check it out after this video. Metable, the evolution of education. You've heard of play to earn games and lots of other things that are starting to reward people for taking part or participating in anything. And it was only a matter of time before education was going to start to prevail. Metaverse is the first decentralized virtual world that has revolutionized the education industry thanks to Web3 and blockchain technologies. As you can see here, it kind of gives you a little bit of an image of like a school, university type metaverse, which is pretty cool to see. And there's 6 different ways in which you can earn on Metable, from studying different content and being rewarded for participating in certain studies, socializing with other people and interacting with others within the community. You can also teach, creating content that can be then implemented into the system. You can play, and you can also do some business and invest into different parts of the Metable experience. Learn to earn. If you've ever come across different apps, maybe things like Duolingo, which is a language learning app, or other apps that you've used for different things, you can start to make money for participating in education. And that's amazing because obviously we all like to kind of up our game. One of the reasons you're probably watching this video is that you're into self-development and learning more about how you can invest and make more money. And as well as that, so you're probably into educating yourself already. And if you're doing that, then wouldn't it be great if you had another incentive to continue to learn? So you can study in an immersive way, learning with less effort and zero cost of studying. And you can also earn based on the amount of time that you interact and how many exercises, etc. that you get to. You can teach. Obviously at the moment there's lots of platforms you can upload content, so if you already know things about perhaps NFTs, gardening, could be anything, you can then teach others, which is a really enjoyable and rewarding thing. And as well as that, be rewarded through the Metable Decentralized network. You can also invest to earn, so you can buy land and earn from the capital gains of the sale, from the profit structures that are built into your land, and then rental of land and different structures, etc. Kind of like in the real world, as you can imagine. Someone buys some commercial real estate or something and someone has a shop in it, a school in it, etc. You can also rent out your land. So if you've already bought some real estate that someone else wants to use, you can rent out that piece of real estate, which gets you lots of rewards in return without obstacles, bureaucracy, excess costs, taxes, and stress. And as well as that, guys, play to earn. It's a fun learning platform. Education should be a fun and entertaining experience, and if you can implement these 2 things, then obviously it's going to get people more engaged. Just by taking part in different quizzes and different games and things like that, you can start to earn tokens. You also have the ability to stake and vote, and that's another way in which you can earn tokens through the platform. Voting on the DAO, which is the governing body of Metable, you can vote on all the changes made, initiatives proposed in the metaverse, and as a reward you can receive tokens for doing so. What's cool, guys, is it's adding lots of value to people who are learning and wanting to share their own knowledge as well, and offering more opportunities. There's maybe going to be things that you may never have considered that you wanted to learn about, but giving an opportunity to go and find new content for free, and not only for free, but be rewarded for learning new content. It's going to change the game for a lot of people. You can promote yourself perhaps as an employee, or perhaps if you've got your own business ideas, etc. And you can look for people who are interested in investing in you. You have the opportunities to participate in job recruitment events, take part in interviews, appear in company searches, or self-sponsor in a metaverse search engine. Lots of cool things going on in this space. And as well as that, you can do business in the metaverse, which is a really cool thing. So recently I've been attending a crypto event, or Crypto Asia in Bali, which has been an amazing, and I've been very lucky to attend. Obviously, not everyone has the ability to come over here and attend that event, so it would be amazing if something like that was then put into a metaverse environment, which allowed people to then interact with all of the people who are attending these events. It's great for networking, finding out about new projects, as well as perhaps if you have your own project, you can then look for venture capitalists, etc., looking for people who might be potentially potentially able to invest in your business idea. You can use this on your smartphone, your tablet, Mac, Windows, anything like that. So it's been built into all sorts of different places. It's also going to start using VR, or VR viewers can also enjoy an immersive experience. So it's almost like you're going to be actually attending different events. Looking into the roadmap where we're just at the end of Q3 right now, there's obviously going to be a big push in the marketing area, looking through influencers, etc. Then we got blockchain, land creation, token creation, smart contract creation, main kind of aspects happening in Q3. So right now it's all going on, as well as game development and other things. Then into Q4, continued marketing, a little bit of an upgrade on the blockchain, and then continued development with the games. And then moving into next year, token DEX listing, token centralized exchange listings, rounds 2 to 5, land sales, and for VR integration, etc. So that's probably where you're going to see the most potential growth if you were to be looking to invest. Obviously, getting in before the major things happen, like centralized exchange listings, is really the best way to make some potentially amazing gains in the crypto industry, in my opinion. Obviously not financial advice, guys. Coming down below, it's really nice that you can see the team here, very, very transparent, and important when you're looking to buy into crypto that you have a transparent team in front of you. You can click on all of these guys and you can find out a little bit more information about who they all are, where they have come from, and their kind of different stories of getting into education, crypto, etc. I've looked into the team members, etc. across LinkedIn. These guys have a lot of experience within different areas and are all bringing their knowledge together. They've also recently partnered with Polygon Studio, and that's something that's very interesting because Polygon will only tend to partner with some of the very best projects going. Look for well-established crypto brands that are starting to partner with these kind of smaller up-and-coming brands, and that's a bit of a recipe for success, in my opinion. Now at the bottom, guys, you can see that they have obviously all the different social medias, most of which is run through Discord. So if you head across to the Discord, you can get involved in various contests, you can win prizes, and you'll also get updated with all of the things that are happening as and when they're released. Great opportunity to find out more about a project and get in early if you think that this is something you'd be interested in. Obviously, guys, come across the link down in the description. You can find out more information. You can read the white paper. There's also NFTs available on OpenSea. They did sell out in just 2 days, their NFT collection. They will be available on the resale market over on OpenSea. And so you can go across and check those out. So in summary, guys, pretty cool project. Metable, the evolution of education, basically upgrading education, offering it to tons of people around the world and rewarding them for participating, whether that be through learning or whether that be through creating content to teach other people. There's opportunities for you to buy and sell land as well as rent land to earn a passive income, and as well as that's an opportunity for you to interact with other people around the world, which is great for building your business prospects. And in addition, searching for jobs, lots of other cool things associated with Metable. Guys, if you enjoyed today's video, then make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to the channel and you want to learn more about Web3, crypto, NFTs, and much, much more, then make sure you subscribe to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.